Summer is inching closer and closer and closer, and I want watermelon. So today we're going to be making our watermelon spritz. To start this cocktail, we are going to use 2 ounces of watermelon juice, and we're going to pour that right into our wine glass.
How long did you have to squeeze the watermelon for?
Ain't nobody squeezing no watermelon up in here. You're squeezing watermelon, get a job. Then we're going to use 1.5 ounces of Aperol. Same thing, that's going to go straight into our wine glass here. And then, oh no, we need 3 ounces of Prosecco. Now we need 3 ounces of Prosecco. Oh, she's just bubbly. There's 2. And push it. I mean, shoot. Sorry. Forgot where
we're all adults here.
I forgot where I was. Oh no. Okay.
We're all adults here.
Yes, very much so. Okay. Now that we have all of that into our glass, we are going to add ice. Okay. Then Then we're going to add a splash of club soda on the top. And for a garnish, we're going to use a fresh, I almost said banana, that's not a banana.
Fresh banana chunk.
Fresh watermelon chunk. Right on the rim. And then we're going to take our mint leaf or mint sprig and just kind of tap it on the back of your hand just to release those, what's the word I'm looking for? Aromatic flavors. We're going to go with that. So there we have our watermelon spritz. As always, I'm going to taste, give you my honest opinion. So 1 is I would have 1 drink and probably move on to the next cocktail. 5 is I would drink it all night, no questions asked until somebody got hurt, aka me. All right, so I'm going to get the mint sprig out of my nose. And actually, I'm going to give it just a quick little stir here as well, just because that soda is just kind of sitting on the top there. Get her all incorporated here. Voila. Okay. Okay. Shocker. I smell watermelon and mint.
Winner.
It is so yummy. Okay. You get all the watermelon right at the forefront, and then you get the bitterness of the Aperol right at the back end of it, but then the watermelon somehow magically, mystically reappears after you get the bitter. This is actually quite delicious. For a hot summer day, this is the perfect spritz. I'm not going to lie. This is delicious. I got to go with a 5 out of 5 on this one. No questions asked. I would drink this all day. And I mean, it's Prosecco, so maybe I wouldn't get hurt in the end, but we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. As always, the ingredient list is going to be down below. That way you can build the cocktail at your house as well. Let me know if you made it and what your thoughts are on the cocktail. Otherwise, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and then I will see you guys at the next pour. Cheers.